Hello and welcome to this video. What is an Android app? An Android app is a software application that runs on the Android platform or operating system. The Android platform or operating system is primarily built for mobile devices. Android-based apps are usually developed using the Java programming language. Just like a website consists of web pages, Android applications consist of screens referred to as activities. An Android intent is used to communicate between activities of an Android application. So an Android intent is basically a simple message object that is used to communicate from one activity to another. So you can use an Android intent to transfer data between activities. Just like a website will have the home page as the entry point into the website, an Android application will have the main activity, which will be the entry point to your Android app. So an Android app basically is represented by a collection of screens referred to as activity. So you can have an app that comprises of many activities, and you can use the Android intent to communicate from one activity to another. So that's it for this introduction to what is an Android app. Thank you for watching and bye for now.